the test drive. Yeah, we'll be good. Like I said, I'll get in another car. I understand this. Yeah. Test drive.
Adjustments are here. This front one is front and back. It's also up and down. That's just for the back. That's going to be for the one passenger. Okay. Only goofy thing about the new body style with these for the shifter is when you go to put it in reverse, which obviously you don't got to worry about now. So you push the button in here, and then you push it forward.
And then part.
And then when you go to drive, you can just pull it all the way down. Now the one thing I will say is make sure it says D there, because if I do this again, then maybe I didn't do it right. See how there's a 1, now it's in manual mode, and then you got to shift with the paddle shift. But yeah, push that down for park. Everything else for the factory. Are you guys familiar with the area?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, you can drive. Yeah. I know where we at.
okay. Well, if you're just comfortable with the parking lot, that's cool. If you want to take it out onto the highway or down Manchester and a little bit around, that's fine.
Okay.
And I'll try. Yeah.
Jordan.
Jordan, nice to meet you.
Thank you. I like the. I want to see how it can drive. You want to actually drive it, get the feel. You got heated seats. Just turn this. Oh no, this is the fan. Or you can just close the vent with these. And you gotta like the moon. You gotta moon
See how
roof.
that look? Well, before we pull off, open that up.
The moon
One
roof.
right there.
Right here.
That's nice. Woo! Go all the way back.
Yeah, you gotta click it twice. Yeah. I mean, you can.
I'm just nervous.
No, you're good. Yeah. Just wait for all this traffic.
Start driving funny on a certain spot, you know. You don't want to be doing 60 and you know there's something shaking or something.
Yeah.
This is so cute. It feels good on the foot.
They just gotta clean it. But they clean it. Like, once you get it, they're gonna detail it for you. But it's nice. And you got the window shades. You got the kids. And you can have the windows down for having shades.
You got a nice amount of trunk space.
Yeah. Yeah. Then you gotta push start. You ain't gotta use no key no more. Yeah. Like when you start it, it'll stay on for so long, but then it'll cut off if you don't get in the car. But it'll be warm.
That little cloth that, like, turn off while you put the phone away.
Oh
I don't
yeah.
like that.
Yeah. It just conserves gas, that's all. It's like one of them hybrid cars. change the drive mode right here. Make sure emergency parking works. Hey, stop. What you think for the car? They got all Corvette. I like them, what's the name, the Genesis? Yeah. I was thinking about getting one of those. Yeah. Alright, so. And you got dual temperature. In case somebody might want those. I think so.
How that insurance still work? He's like, that's how I feel like what's on the tap the car, but my insurance on my car. Like, how do that work?
I wonder if they do XM radio. Yeah, like a month. Yeah, like a month or two. I had that in one of my cars before.
I'm so used to looking back. I just look at the camera.
Is it big back there? Like a stroller can fit back there?
And then I think this will fold down if
Like this one side can fold down. The seat.
that's see that black Chevy.
All right.
So I go turn. I think you get right on the side.
I like them Escalade V's. I would get one of them if I could. Escalade V. What's good, YouTube? Boy, with JT.